Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna go over the Grace digital recalls for this Echo Boulder speakers that can overcharge and then burst impact hazard. So the recall date on this was sent out on November 20th, 2019. Remedy is to replace it. So if you have one of this ECOXGEAR Bluetooth wireless speaker, you could contact Grace Digital to get a free replacement battery. So I'm going to teach you guys on how to get your free replacement battery. And I also have a video on how to change it out your ECOXGEAR. This is first generation that's having this problem or issues. Okay, so first of all, you need to open your side door panel right here. Press it and then just pull out to open it. On the top section right here, you will reveal your model number. And then on the bottom right here, where my finger is, that is your serial number. So you will need to provide that model number and serial number to Grace Digital in order to get your free replacement battery. I'm going to go over the model number that got affected. So this one is the old black color, and then there are some other different model with the orange, yellow, red, or blue accents on the speaker. So the model number that is being recalled is GDI-EXBM 900. That is the orange color. UPC code is 819-127-010-331. And then the second item is the GDI-EXBM 901. That is the black color, which is same as mine. It's 819-127-010-348. The third one is the GDI-EXBM 904. That is the yellow color. And then the UPC code is 819-127-011-796. The fourth item is the GDI-EXBM 907. That is the red color. UPC code numbers for that is 819-127-011-802. And then the last one is GDI-EXBM 913. That's the blue color. UPC code for that one is 819-127-011-819. After you submit the form for the replacement battery, and then they will ship out the battery to you. So make sure you fill out your physical address. So I think for mine it took kind of a while. I think I filed it back in maybe December, because I told them I have two speakers. They request me to send the serial number. So I had to submit the serial number. I guess they don't want other people that doesn't have this kind of speaker just want to get a free battery replacement for nothing. So this is the box that I received from them, from USPS. As you can see, there's a sticker right here about the warning about the battery. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what's inside this package. So they want you to send back the old one. And then they give you instruction on how to replace it. Maximum charge is 8 hours. So additional note about the Eco Boulder battery replacement. Replace plastic caps. The new battery included in this kit has a plastic protection cap on the black and red battery terminals. Remove this cap prior to installation of the battery into Eco Boulder. Charge the battery. So after completion of the battery replacement process, we recommend that you charge your battery for approximately 4 hours. Always charge battery with the power button turned off. Leave Eco Boulder plugged in for a maximum of 8 hours and always unplug after charging or when storing unit. So I got this foam. So it comes with the screws. Not sure why they come on so many screws, but wow. So there's a screw one pack, which is come with the 1, 2, 4, 6 of the smaller thin screws, and then screw pack 2 come with the thicker and longer screws. Let me put this back in. So included in the kit, screw pack 1 has 6 screws, screw pack 2 has 10 screws, and then a new battery shipping label. You will also need a mini flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, we recommend that you place the Eco Boulder face down on your working area. And then you're going to remove the rear face plate. Step A is to remove those rubber plugs that's behind the face plate. And after that, you could remove the screws. And then there are 4 other screws for the handle that you need to remove. And then you will need to open the door, the battery door. There are 6 of the screws that you need to remove. And then you're going to replace the battery. First, unhook the black wire from the black battery terminal, then the red wire. And then you're going to tilt it so you could remove the old battery. They have a special foam that's around the battery, so it's very hard to get it out. So what I did was I used one of the suction cup that I use it for the towel hook. So I use that to suck it out. And then you will insert the new battery back in. And then you will connect the red first, and then the black one later. It says unhooking and connecting the wire in the incorrect order could result in battery terminal spark. So it's pretty dangerous, but it's only 12 volts, so but you don't want to blow up your battery anyway. And so you're going to reinstall the battery door, handle, and then face plate in reverse order, okay? So if you don't know how to do it, I have a video that I show you guys step by step. You can search under my channel, or I'll include the link that's going to show you within the description. Let's go ahead and check out the battery. So it's covered with this special foam, which is nice. Wow. So this is a lithium ion phosphate battery. I'm kind of surprised because the other one is just less sealed. So it is lighter. Hopefully give you a long usage because it's, I don't know, it seems pretty light to me. So here's the spec. Model is MC-12Li6. It's a 12 volt, 6 amp Henry. Rating is 12.8 volt, 6,000 milliamp Henry, 76.8 watt Henry. So like I say, you got this special foam. It's gonna fit pretty tight into the battery compartment. So that's why I had to use the suction cup to suck it out. Lithium ion phosphate battery. It says mega amp power. So they were saying you need to remove this plastic, okay? Gets extra protection. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.